Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Math World. So recently we have changed our channel's name to Insights. So hereafter Insights and Math World are basically one channel. I invite you to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon of the channel so that you will get the instant notification. And also if you have any special problems to be asked, please mention in the comment section, and also you can write us so that I can provide solutions to those questions as well. Okay, now let's proceed to the today's lesson. So today I am going to introduce you an Excel sheet where you can solve quadratic equation. So what is a quadratic equation? An equation of the form ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0, where a doesn't equal to 0. Because if a equals 0, there is no quadratic equation here. Okay, so I have completed this Excel worksheet where you just have to input the values of A, B, C. That means basically three coefficients, right? So then you will get the answers and these descriptions as well. Okay, so I have listed 5 examples for you. I will do these 5 examples in order to understand. Okay, in the first one, A is plus 1, B is plus 5, C is plus 6. So let's input 1, 5, 6. So discriminant of the equation is 1 and it has two distinct solutions, and the two solutions are -2 and -3. Let's go to the second example. X squared plus 5x minus 10. Okay. 1, 5 minus 10. See, now the discriminant is 65. It also has two distinct solutions. X1, X2 values are given. Okay. In the second example, so I will just change the coefficient of x squared. Otherwise, you will get misunderstand because always this x is 1. Okay, so now x is 2, b is -5, c is -7. So now we have discriminant this time discriminant is 81, has two distinct solutions. So solutions are basically here. So now you can use this Excel sheet to solve any type of a quadratic equation. So I propose I will attach this Excel sheet at the comment section of the video so that you can go through it. Okay, so enjoy this Excel worksheet with your quadratic equations. Thank you very much.